Welcome, everybody, and thank you for joining. I'm Elaine Morrissey, founder and director of Rock Consultancy, Data Protection and AI Governance Specialists. Over the next 30 minutes or so, we'll explore how AI, and especially generative AI, is shaping how data subject rights requests are coming in, how controllers are responding to them, and also the impact on regulators. As a matter of quick housekeeping, this is information only and not legal advice. So as I said, this is a 30-minute session exploring the practical impact of AI on data subject rights requests under the GDPR and the EU AI Act also. We're going to unpack the impact on data subjects, on data controllers, and on the regulators called on to adjudicate increasingly complex complaints. We're going to break it down into 5 sections, starting with setting the scene, and then leaving with practical guidance on how to manage DSARs in the age of AI. So setting the scene, why data subject rights requests are entering a new era. So it's really important to remember for anybody using AI to process personal data that the GDPR rights also comply. So it's not just a matter of looking at the new legislation, it's also ensuring compliance with existing legislation. Under the GDPR, you'll be familiar with Article 15, the right to access, Article 17, the right to erasure, right to be forgotten, Article 21, objection, and Article 22 regarding automated decision rights. Transparency duties are also under the spotlight now, while organizations have to explain AI processing in clear and plain language, which can be a very difficult task when AI, I suppose, is considered to be quite opaque. Also under the spotlight is the lawful basis. So this must be considered across any training, deployment, and in relation to data subject rights. The European Data Protection Board opinion from 2024, instigated by the Irish Data Protection Commission, is extremely helpful in terms of an analysis of the lawful basis for processing personal data in AI systems. The Data Protection Commission, the DPC in Ireland, they are dealing with complaints in relation to data subject rights on a huge scale. So from their 2024 annual report, data subject rights and the non-responsiveness to them was the leading enforcement theme. Moving then to the EU AI Act. So under the EU AI Act, there is a requirement for AI literacy under Article 4. So this has been applicable since February 2025. So this applies to all providers and deployers, both private and public companies of AI. So whether you are using AI within your organization, it is important that all employees have sufficient AI literacy. This will be subjective to every organization and also to the different cohorts of employees. We then have general purpose AI obligations, which are live since August 2025, and high risk AI, and this is particularly important in the employment context, is now enforceable from the 2nd of December 2027.